In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Airtable linked data to summarize perfectly. If you've ever wanted a clean total, a reliable count, or an average from records linked across tables, this is exactly what rollup fields are made for. Think of rollups as your built-in calculator that pulls numbers from linked records and turns them into a single, trustworthy summary. We'll start by using a rollup field. In the table where you want the summary to appear, add a new field and choose rollup as the type. A rollup only works when you already have a linked record relationship, so the first choice you'll make is which linked field to use. Pick the field that connects this table to the records you want to summarize. For example, if you're summarizing hours from tasks into a projects table, select the field that links projects to tasks. Next, select the numeric field from the linked table that you want to summarize. This should be a field that stores numbers like amount, hours, quantity, or score. If the source field is text or mixed content, the rollup won't know how to calculate. Choosing a true number field keeps your math accurate and fast. Now apply your formula. For totals, use sum values. This adds all the numbers from the linked records. For a simple count of how many linked records actually have a value, use count values. And for an average, use average values, which takes the sum and divides by the number of values it finds. Pick the one that matches your goal and watch the result populate automatically. If you change the links or update the numbers in the source table, the rollup updates in real time. No manual refresh needed. To keep your summaries perfect, keep the data clean. Avoid empty numbers in the source field. Blanks can throw off averages and make counts misleading. If a value truly should be 0, enter 0 rather than leaving it empty. Keep statuses consistent so you're comparing like with like. Consistent labels help you understand what the summary represents at a glance. And make sure there's one value per record in the numeric field. Don't combine multiple numbers in a single cell or store numbers as text. Each record should hold a clear, single number the rollup can read. That's it. Choose the right linked field, select a numeric source, apply sum, count, or average, and keep your data clean. Your Airtable linked data will summarize perfectly every time.